Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7 and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *##, *646663 *##. And here, as you can see, you can check all the features. You can scroll down and everything is included here. So let me show you a few of them, starting with touch panel. So let me touch it. Okay. As you can see, I'm not the best painter. And here it is. It definitely passed. We can also do something like this, dot, just to check if our device follows what are we doing. Now we've got the display test, so it's red, it's working, green, blue, and as you can see, screen test complete. Okay, it's correct. Let me do a receive test. It's 9.8. Input correct, so click on OK to save it. And also we can check music played by receiver. Click on play music. As you can see, the sound is clean, so it definitely works properly. Click on OK. And now we can go back.
5, 4,
okay, let's do speaker test as well.
4,
It's 5.4. And click on OK. And let's finish the test right now. So this is how you can smoothly and easily test your device, perform many tests, including receiver, display test, and plenty of others. Enjoy it. Test your device and check if it's some application to blame or your device itself. And that would be all. This is how you can test your device, how you can test Xiaomi Redmi 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.